Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Tutorlini Test Prep. Today we will be going over lesson number 3 on how to use Desmos for the digital SAT math. Intercepts. Let's get started. Okay, so for these questions, all you need to do is type the equation or function into Desmos and click on the appropriate axis, the x-axis or the y-axis, where it touches that axis. And Desmos will tell you the x-intercept or the y-intercept, just like that. So for this one, we're going to type in f of x equals 7x minus 84. So let's go to Desmos, and it wants us to find the x-intercept. So let's go to Desmos. So f of x equals 7x minus 84. Okay, so I can't really see it, so I'm going to zoom out. Oh, it's over here. And again, let me check. The question wants us to find the x-intercept. So I'm going to notice the crosses the x-axis right here. I'm going to click on it and then highlight it by clicking on it again. So the x-intercept is 12, 0. So let's go back to the question. Let me just write it down real quick, 12, 0. And then if I needed that to answer a follow-up question, I could. 12, 0 is answer choice D. Okay. Let's try another question where this is really helpful. This one, it is super helpful. Pause this video, see if you can solve it using Desmos. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to type in f of x equals negative 8 times 2 to the x plus 22. And this time it wants us to find the y-intercept, so make sure you pay attention to that. You'd hate to get the question wrong just because you mixed up x-intercept and y-intercept. And I'm going to go to Desmos here. Always going to refresh. And I'm going to type in f of x equals, what was it again? Negative 8 times 2 to the x. Let me type it in exactly as it's written. Always type it in exactly as it's written. Plus 22. Great, and again, let me check. We want the y-intercept. So let's zoom out a little bit. It seems to cross just about here. Let's click on it. And the y-intercept for this one is 0, 14. So let me write that down, 0, 14. And the answer that goes with that is answer choice A. And that is correct. All right, let's do one more where this might be helpful. Pause this video, see if you can solve it using Desmos. So the function we're going to type in is g of x equals 11 times 1 over 12 to the x. And we want to find the y-intercept of the graph. Okay, so let's type that in exactly as it's written. So g of x equals 11 times 1 over 12 to the x. To the x, right? Good. And I'm going to zoom out. And what did they want me to find again? Let me check. The y-intercept. Great. So it seems like it's somewhere over here. Let me click. There we go. Looks like the y-intercept of this function is 0, 11. So let's go back to the question and write that down, just in case there was a follow-up question on that. And that would give us answer choice A. Okay, that completes the lesson. Please like and subscribe for more digital SAT math content. If you are interested in my tutoring services, the link to my website will be in the description. I tutor all sections of the SAT and all math subjects from about 7th grade to AP/early college level. Thanks for stopping by, and good luck studying.